I'm John Scouten from Shooting USA, and I've got a couple of pieces from the Blackhawk catalog that I want to show you that I'm using in precision rifle series shooting that you're seeing me do on the show. First is pretty simple. It's this dump bag, and it's a super handy deal. Just have it clipped on the strap here so that I can put things like my data card and the pouch for my ear protection. You can put your magazines, a box of ammunition, a drink, things like that go right in here, and it's hands-free as you're walking around the range. It's got strike molly on the front, so I was able to attach this med kit. There's a space blanket and a first aid kit in there. The other thing is the combo shooting mat and drag bag, and this is super handy. First and foremost, in precision rifle series competition, you'll find instances where you have to walk sometimes 300, 400, 500 meters between courses of fire. Well, here is my entire kit ready to go, super easy to carry that way. And when you get to the course of fire and you lay it out, you get your rifle out of here, it's as simple as that. There's a padded area here that'll protect your muzzle and make sure everything stays right where you put it. But the key thing is, once you've got your rifle out, this thing folds up and becomes really compact and easy to deal with, because there are instances in precision competition where you're going to be mandated to carry everything you brought to the line through the course of fire. And this is a great solution over a guy who maybe has a drag bag and a separate big bulky backpack.